Look at these soft golden layered banana chapatis. Simple, delicious and perfect for any meal. Let me show you step by step how to make it at home. I start by warming milk. Warm milk helps banana to blend smoothly and gives the chapati soft texture. While it warms, I wash my banana. For this recipe, I'm using 4 pieces of banana, 1.5 glass of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of whole bran or butter, then wheat flour. I peel my banana and cut into pieces. Cutting makes mashing easier. I mash the bananas well. I add in warm milk. This adds natural sweetness and softens the dough. Then I whisk them very well to combine. Next, I open wheat flour in a bowl. I add 2 tablespoons of salt to balance the flavor. I add in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar to enhance the banana's taste. I add in 1 tablespoon of whole bran. Then I add a little oil. Oil helps to keep dough soft. Now I pour in banana milk mixture. I mix very well to combine. I knead while adding milk little by little. Adding gradually prevents the dough from getting sticky. I add in milk again. When the dough forms, I add some oil and knead again. This makes it smooth and elastic. I cover the dough with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. Resting relaxes the dough and makes rolling easier. After resting, I divide it into small balls. Small balls make rolling and frying manageable. I roll one dough flat.
My flour's gone.
I spread oil. I sprinkle flour. This creates layers in the roti or chapati. Then I fold it. I make both, then roll out flat again.
I did a bunty. I want the one.
These are my balls after folding. Then I roll out flat again. I place chapati on a hot pan. First, I cook it dry on both sides to set layers. As it cooks, I roll out another one flat. I check on a progress and change it on another side. I spread oil and fry until golden brown on both sides. Oil gives crisp edges and soft inside. I repeat the same thing with the rest of my dough balls. And here is our golden banana chapati or roti, layered, soft and full of flavor, perfect with tea, curry or enjoyed on its own. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share. Bye bye. See you in the next one on Sunday 5:30 p.m. East African time.